don't watch fails because we're cruel. Let's be real. We watch them because our brains are desperately trying to practice for our own inevitable Tuesday. Also, the sound design is immaculate. You've heard the jokes. We're just mean, but think about it. Would you actually trip your own friend? No, you'd catch them, then laugh, then help them up. It's complicated. Enter schadenfreude, a German word that means joy in someone else's minor misery. Sounds terrible, right? But it's literally hardwired into your skull. Your brain loves a good reset button. When someone slips, your amygdala hits pause. It whispers, okay, not me, I'm safe, I can breathe. Then comes the real MVP, mirror neurons. They fire when you watch someone move. They fire when you actually move. So when that guy drops his ice cream, your brain simulates the drop. You feel the cold scoop. The internet just took that biological quirk and threw it on a loop. This whole vibe really took off around 1990 when early forums started hoarding our worst moments like digital trophies. Why? Because perfection is exhausting. We crave the glitch, the stumble, the unscripted faceplant. It's proof that humans are just glorified toddlers with Wi-Fi. But let's talk about the audio. That record scratch, that cartoon bawing, that wet splat. Sound designers are basically magicians. They turn a simple trip into a symphony. This isn't just comedy, it's comfort. Watching strangers fail reminds us that nobody has it together. We're all just winging it. Spilling coffee, missing keys, forgetting names, back to that Tuesday. Your brain watches the fail reel to run simulations. What if I did that? Don't. Okay, noted, you're basically training for life, in slow motion. So next time you're doom scrolling at 2 a.m, don't guilt yourself. You're not a monster, you're a scientist, conducting very important safety research. And if you laugh, good. That means your mirror neurons are working perfectly. Now go touch grass or don't. I believe in you. Subscribe for more weird science.